and welcome back to the biggest journey in the world, and that is the Scott Barnes Show. Hope you guys are having a great and fantastic day. And in today's video, I wanted to focus on something that I've been struggling with and my mindset as I was trimming down my beard into a shorter beard, and that is color. And this has to do with a lot of beard growers out there when it comes to color change as we grow out our beard. But yes, as we age, obviously with gray hair, but also our beards can change color as we grow it out. Now, back when I first started growing my facial hair, probably from 18 to 24, definitely had that Guy Fieri look. Yeah, bleached blonde hair with the pencil-lined jawline beard. Yes, it was a horrendous look, but it was what it was. But what's funny is that from 18 to 24, my beard was very blonde as I was aging into maturity from 24 into my 30s. In those early years, they were nice and light, patchy as it was all over the face. But the biggest deterrent for me, though, was the mustache right here, the soul patch, and definitely right here on that jawline area was really tough for me to grow. But not only that, the color of the hair, like I said, was the biggest problem. It being blonde that it was, we really couldn't get a defined shape what I was or you were looking at for my beard. So what I did was I actually got some dye because I was already bleaching my hair, why not? And what I ended up doing was I actually went to Target and got some Just for Men hair dye, and I was dyeing my beard brown. As my hair was browning into my sideburns, I matched it up. So that way my hair and the beard that I was growing was one color, other than it being, more brown right into blonde. But what the most interesting thing is majority of my family has a reddish beard. As my beard was getting thicker and denser, my beard hair was actually changing color. And it went from a blonde to actually a dark brown and almost in some areas black. But now as I have gotten older, time, stress, and life has affected my body and soul. We have now noticed that we have some nice gray hairs going on. But what's interesting, and this is where I wanted to bring for you guys, is that as we grow out our beard, the beard color can change as our hairs overlap one another. Hey you guys, really quick, Artist Man is doing a March Madness sale right now. 30% off. Type in that promo code SCOTT30, save yourself 30% off their products. If you order enough, you might even get free shipping. All right, head on over there, support me, support Artist Man. They've been with me since the beginning. Go. And as we age and grow older, we see our peers grow their beards. That was a tongue twister. We see them and we also want to grow it out, but as we see gray hairs and mismatching, hair color in our beards, it is also a deterrent. And to tell you guys the truth, it is actually the growth of the beard as long as it can get. It's the overlapping and the intertwine and the combing, the grooming of the beard. That's what makes everything cohesive and look one color. And as you guys see time and time again, when I grow out my beard, it's got that nice brown, burly color in it. And some of the beard hairs that are gray, I do pluck out because I am getting old and senile, if you will. But it just shows you that those hairs really don't show through versus the darker, denser, thicker hairs. So for you guys that think that they have that white hair that's getting too gray, there's always that alternative for like I said, that Just for Men, or grow it out natural, just shape it up, grow, trim through it, and you'll have that nice, thick, dense, glorious beard we all want. And another way to deal with this issue, like me, when you're having a really intense gray, spottage right here in that jawline, is to actually fade right into the sideburn. Go ahead and get that crew cut, go to about, maybe a 1 on the sides, all the way into the sideburns, down into the jawline, and then go ahead and start that nice thick, probably more of a chin beard if you can. Leave it nice and shaven on the mustache as well. And so those are ways to get around the gray hair. I'm just telling you guys, in this video that growing out the beard can change your color, trimming up your beard can change the color, and also doing it, the hybrid way of getting the actual dye, you can change your beard as well. But growing it out, trimming it up, and changing the actual definition of the beard can change the color as well. So other than that, go ahead and try it out. I think next week I'm going to do something special, so always stay tuned in the Scott Barnes channel. So always subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!